Bismuth 207 is a radioactive isotope with a half-life of 32.9 years. If 100 grams of bismuth 207 are present in a sample, then the function a of t equals 100 times 1 half to the t over 32.9 gives the amount present in the sample t years later. Find the amount of bismuth 207 in the sample at the following lengths of time. So this is half of our half-life time. So all we do is plug in the 16.45 for t. So we're evaluating the function of a at 16.45 years. So that's going to be over 32.9, which is going to be the same thing as 100 to times 1 half to the 1 half power. And that answer is going to be 70.71. Okay, now we have to figure out at 32.9 years. Well, that's just going to be 100 times 1 half to the first power, because 32.9 divided by 32.9 is 1. So this is going to be 50. Okay, 150 years. So same thing, we are going to go ahead and plug this in. And we get 4.2415 grams. Okay, now this should make sense. There is a half-life, so as the time increases, we should be getting less and less.